Hi, welcome to another video about Audi A2. I thought that I will be doing this video only in March or something like that, because this is the first drive in 2023. Since I was the car was in storage, I was not using it over the winter. It's still winter here, but as you can see, the road is really clean. There was quite a lot of rain, so all the salt was watered down from the road, and it's sunny. It's cold. I think that it is around 5 degrees Celsius, but it's cold, but it is sunny. So I thought that it was already time, that it was perfect opportunity to take my car back to one of my favorite roads nearby, and as you can see, I'm already enjoying it fully. Anyway, the car is already warmed up and everything, because I already did some drives here, and as you can see, yeah, it's nice to be back in the car after I think three months or something like that, because it was parked away. And in this time, probably you saw the video, I already installed, okay, let's go slowly here. I already installed the Bluetooth adapter, so now I can enjoy the music from my phone directly, and it works great. I'm very satisfied with it. And this is basically it. Nothing new about Audi A2, except that I got a new car, additional, but I have a new car in the use, so I will talk a little bit about that in the next video. And now let us just enjoy this perfect road for this car. And as you can see, also there is not a lot of cars, but anyway, it doesn't matter because I'm not driving crazy fast. So I mean, this is just the perfect road for this car. And I must say that I'm very surprised. There was no problems with starting up the car. I put a few times the battery on the battery tender, so the battery is still great, and it started the first time okay, now let me show you this one. So this is a really long straight, and if I push it now to the rev limiter, so this is the second, so we are at 75, and now the third, and okay, we are at 95. It's enough. Yeah, so it was on the battery tender, everything works, nothing got broken in this 3 months. Okay, as you can see, it's losing the speed now when I put it into the fifth. Yeah, it is quite steep uphill. So, and this is now this from the other side, and now I will just return and go back, because this is basically the best part of this car, not this car, but this road. So let me just turn around here. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so no cars, and let's go back down. So for down it's not so interesting because it is straight, but then the turns begin and it's really nice. Okay, so that's it, fourth, and that it is brake it so that the engine is braking. Anyway, as I said, I'm very satisfied that nothing got broken, everything works, and of course the car still gives me all the fun that it gave me last year when I put it on the road, and especially on these turns and so on. So I must say that it is very refined. I'm just shocked how this car is refined in comparison to this additional car that is a little bit, okay, not maybe a little bit, but quite a lot sporty. So this is, okay, let me go now to the turns. Okay, so this turn, it can be quite tricky because it can be slippery, especially if you have 13-year-old tires. Okay, and now I can start a little bit pushing uphill. So this is the best part of Audi A2. It allows me to really extract every horsepower to the last bit and I'm still well under the speed limits and under any dangerous speed, and also no dangerous situations then on the road. As you can see, it's to rev, third, so it's free, no carb. Okay, and we will go slowly here because somebody can come up here. So this is the only turn that is not really visible, and now the great part begins, and these are the turns that are visible, and you can go quite a lot quick, with quite some speed, but of course well under the speed limit. Okay, and also the road surface, it was renewed, so it's just perfect. You need to let it rev, since it does not have any horsepower. Okay, now let's go forward, and the third. So this I need to release the throttle a little bit, because if not it would be a little bit too much speed. And now again these turns, and I must say that I'm very satisfied with the brakes, even if I'm pushing it here. Also, well, okay, now it's winter, but also in the summer there was no fade in the brakes. Of course, maybe it was also because of that long straight that offered the brakes to cool a little bit. Okay, and this is it. And this is it in quick short update for my Audi A2. It's still at home. It will be used this year, especially now because it already started. If there will be some snow and salt on the road, I will just park it for now until everything is cleaned. But I will try to use it in the next week, because the weather forecast is quite good, just to enjoy it a little bit, and then later on maybe some other videos will follow. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this quick jump in the car, and enjoyed revving it. I don't know, I'm quite mechanically inclined, but I like it, and of course the engine is at operating temperature and everything. So thank you for watching. Drive safe, and of course smile when you drive, because driving is always fun, especially if you drive Audi A2. And now I will go a few more times up and down. Bye.